Hola estudiantes, ¿qué tal? Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Again, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo están? So this is our second day, ¿verdad? Nuestro segundo día. Y vamos a repasar, ¿ok? Vamos a repasar rapidito. Día número uno. Día número uno, we say hola, we say buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, and we say ¿qué tal? Right? ¿Qué tal is something like what's up, ¿verdad? It's more informal than ¿cómo está usted? ¿Verdad? Also, we use ¿cómo estás? Which is more informal, ¿sí? And we reply to those questions, bien, gracias, muy bien, or no muy bien, ¿sí? And of course, we can add a tag, a question, y usted, y tú. Remember, usted is the formal approach, okay? Is you formal. And then tú is you, but informal. You use the tú when you're talking to your friends, when you're talking to little kids, with people that basically you know. Then you use usted to express respect, okay? And you talk when you talk to for example doctors, professors, the judge, etc., etc., okay, especially people that you don't know, then you use usted. That establish respect but also distance, okay. Bien. um, Also, it's extremely important that you pay attention to the question marks in Spanish and also the exclamation marks. Okay. Since there are many types of computers, it's very wisely to do a search taking into consideration your brand, okay, of computer, and Google it. How do I use Spanish characters? Okay. Also, if you're using words, you can go to symbol and find specifically for those two symbols and the acentos. Okay. So that's something that you must do. Okay. Bien. Basic questions to introduce yourself and to ask basic information. A ver, for example, there are three ways to say your name. Remember, mi nombre es. That's literally my name is. And then we have me llamo María. Me llamo is it's something like I call myself María. Okay. Do not mix mi nombre es with me llamo. Okay. Do not combine the two verbs and put them together. Those are two different expressions. Okay. And finally, think about Chinese, Japanese, or Korean restaurant where they use soy sauce. The soy, S-O-Y, in Spanish means I am, okay? I am. And then you can use it. Soy María, ¿sí? Questions. ¿Cómo te llamas? That's informal. ¿Cómo se llama usted? That's formal. ¿Cómo estás? Do you hear the S at the end? That's informal. Always when we have the S, that's the to form. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Ok? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Sí? ¿De dónde eres means where are you from? And when you reply to that question, ¿de dónde eres? Then you use the soy, right? Soy de, and you need to use the de because otherwise you're not saying from. Yo soy de, and then you state the place, okay? Yo soy de Estados Unidos, yo soy de Nueva York, yo soy de Nueva Jersey, etcétera, etcétera. ¿Sí? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. So that's basically what we have to know for class número uno. Also the alphabet, basic question that you need to know. ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? And at least you should be able to spell out your name. Mi nombre se escribe Marilyn. ¿Sí? That was class number 1. Now, today we are going to start with class number 2. In class number 2, what we need to pay attention to is the agreement between articles, nouns, and adjectives. Okay? So, singular, plural, femenino, masculino. Those are the agreements. If my noun is singular, for example, let's say clase, ¿verdad? It's singular, it's feminine, so I have to say la clase, ¿sí? Or una clase. One class, una clase, or the class, la clase, right? And if it's plural, then I have to add the S, las clases, ¿sí? Las clases. Bien. Basic question. ¿Qué es? What is it? ¿Verdad? ¿Qué es? Es una profesora. Es un profesor. Es una señora. O son, plural, son unas profesoras. Okay? ¿Qué es? What is it? And then es, if it's singular, son, if it's plural. See? Remember, we need to keep those agreements, okay? Keep that in mind. If my noun is feminine, my article has to be feminine. If my noun is feminine and singular, my article has to be feminine and singular. See? Bien. Also, we are going to learn about numbers, okay? So, basic question that we need to know. ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? ¿Sí? And then mi número de teléfono es 212-367-1005, for example. Okay? Also, with numbers, we can play and we can say, ¿qué hay? ¿Qué hay? Hay, ¿qué hay? I means there is, there are. ¿Qué hay? Hay una profesora. Hay una profesora. There is a professor. Hay unas profesoras, more than one. Okay? ¿Qué hay? Remember the pronunciation. ¿Qué hay? ¿Sí? Bien, so that's basically what I need you to learn today. If you have questions, people, email me, practice, and when you record your voice threads, make sure that you are not reading. See? Make a big effort to memorize those expressions and use them. See? Bien, hasta luego. Chao.